Now we will learn about the relation between physical states of matter and intermolecular forces. First, we observe how intermolecular forces operate in gaseous state of matter. In the gaseous state, molecules are far apart from each other. As a result, intermolecular forces are very weak in them. Secondly, we learn how strong intermolecular forces are in liquids. Liquid state molecules are much closer to each other as compared to gases. Therefore, liquid molecules develop strong intermolecular forces which affect their physical properties like diffusion, evaporation, vapor pressure, and boiling point. Lastly, we see how dominant intermolecular forces are in the solid state of matter. In solid state, molecules are arranged in a regular pattern which makes them denser than molecules of liquids.